Welcome to another episode of Taste Ride PH. Today is the last day of the 2024 Makina Motor Show here at the SMX Convention Center in Pasay City.
Hey, Taste Ride PH, shout out to you guys. Keep it up and yun, maraming salamat.
Thank
you so much.
Ganda ng event, sir.
Salamat.
Solid event. We're inside Makina Motor Show and kung nakikita nyo, beside me, classic bobbers, Harleys, and sa right naman may mga Indian tayo na ngayon lang ako nakakita sa Pilipinas.
Pagpasok pa lang ay sinalubong na kami ng isa sa mga iconic rivals ng Harley Davidson sa motorcycle world.
Yung fuel gauge niya is nasa labas, so mano-mano.
Speaking of Harley Davidson, syempre, magpapatalo pa sila.
Pan America, sir.
Yes, this is the 2023 Pan America Special.
And anong special dito? Pati ko mga Harley puro cruiser bobber.
Yeah. So this is the first adventure bike na ginawa ni Harley.
Yes, sir.
So it comes with a 1250cc liquid-cooled engine, which what we call the Revolution Max engine.
Okay.
So yan na yung modern engine na ginawa ni Harley.
Then kailan ito ni-release, sir?
It was launched last 2020.
Bago lang.
Yes. For the price of this particular bike, it's 1.4 million.
Mura lang.
Yeah, actually, mura siya.
Mura nga siya for
para
Harley.
sa kind of bike niya. One key feature of this bike na medyo known for its style talaga is yung adaptive ride height.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Wherein every time na umihinto yung bike while riding, bababa siya ng 1.5 inches. This is a 2023 Softail Fat Bob. So it comes with a between 114 engine, which is equivalent to 1868cc. This bike is technically air-cooled, but it's installed with a oil cooler. With this bike, being a Softail, as you can see, wala siyang visible na shocks. Because sa mga cruiser dati, this looks like a hardtail. But ang ginawa ni Harley, in-incorporate niya yung shocks, single shocks sa frame na mismo, getting into a Softail lang. And if you can see here, to adjust the hardness and softness ng shocks, which is yung preload. 1 being the softest and 5 being the hardest.
Harley being Harley, of course, stays true to its price range. Hanap muna kami ng medyo budget-friendly.
So ito yung 450 CLC 450, sorry. By CF Moto. So for beginner bikes to, bobber. Gone!
289,700 pesos lang. Meron ka ng CF Moto 450 CLC. This is a good option for beginners na gusto ng expressway legal bike.
OBR check! Tips to. Tips ng mga OBR, pre. Yeah. Dapat nakakapit sila. Number one, kapit. Hindi lang sa kamay, pati sa paa. Yeah. Kasi pag na-banking kang gano'n, wala. Gaan, boy!
May extra kang 31,000. Meron ka ng Royal Enfield Scram 411 kung adventure naman ang hanap mo.
Scram 411. So as you can see, standing 6 foot tall, this bike is pretty damn light.
Para sa mga tunay na classic bike enthusiast, Royal Enfield offers a wide range of premium motorcycles from the Interceptor 650 to the Meteor 350.
Solid ring, ganda.
And if you're a Honda fan, don't worry dahil hindi namin palalagpasin ang kanilang mga big bikes.
We're with Sir Peter from Honda Philippines sa EDSA.
Hindi, Honda Philippines.
Honda
para
Philippines
manufacturing plant.
Okay, yung plant
Honda
mismo. So, marami tayong question regarding sa isa na namang dream bike natin, si CB650 Inline 4. And ano ba mga features natin dito sa
Ito, unang-una, ito yung
yung CB650 na 2024 year model.
Bago?
No, yes sir.
Bago.
At ito una, pinagmamalaki ng Honda since Honda has developed the world's first Honda e-clutch for motorcycle.
Ano yung sabihin ng e-clutch?
E-clutch is electronically controlled clutch.
Oh, wow.
Pag ganun, mas malambot pa yun.
Actually, yung ano nito, dinevelop to for para ma-expand yung fun and freedom ng pagra-ride ng isang motorcycle. Bakit freedom? Kasi binigyan ka ng freedom to choose kung gagamitin mo yung clutch
o hindi.
Okay. Pwede mo tapakan.
Yes, nang walang clutch, pwede mo hindi operate yung clutch, gear shift na lang. Ganun na. Pero syempre, ito yung manual transmission.
Correct.
Binigyan ka lang ng option. Kung gusto kong automatic yung clutch ko, reset ko ng automatic yung clutch.
Sineset na, sir.
Yes, sir. Nang sa ganoon, kasi minsan may mga beginner, yung beginner or yung mga kahit na mga experienced rider minsan sa arangkada or sa starting, pagka arangkada, minsan namamatayan ng EIP or nagkakaroon ng engine stalling. No, pero pagka naka-e-clutch ka na, since hindi mo na kailangan i-operate yung clutch mo from starting, gear shift, para upshift and downshift and stop it.
Compare sa e-clutch, ano pang mga bago sa previous model?
Maganda yun, sir. Since hindi lang ito yung bagong technology sa CB650 natin. Pangalawa, yung ating meter panel o combination meter natin is naka-TFT na, 5-inch TFT. And then, since 5-inch TFT na yan, meron na tayong smartphone connectivity.
Bluetooth, sir.
Smartphone connectivity, pwede mong, ito po yung sinasabi nating Honda Road Sync or yung HSVCS or yung Honda Smartphone Voice Control System. Na kung saan, pagka ikaw ay merong Road Sync app sa iyong smartphone, pwede mong i-connect yung phone mo through Bluetooth sa ating yung to. Once na connected na yung smartphone mo, pwede mo nang magamit yung navigation.
Yes, sir.
Pwede mong message, call, and music.
Ito rin, lalabas. Ayos yun
Pero through through voice instruction.
Siyempre, para hindi kayo storbo.
Yes, sir. Halimbawa, kasi ito, once connected na, i-keep mo na to. Sabi mo na to. Ang i-control mo na lang itong switch mo.
Okay.
Halimbawa, meron kang gustong tawagan. Sabihin mo lang yung contacts kung sino yun.
Voice.
Then, yes, sir. Sabihin mo lang. And then, press yung switch na ito, magpapawag. Halimbawa naman, magme-message ka.
Yes, sir.
Sabihin mo lang kung kanino mo papadala yung message. Sabihin mo lang kung ano yung message na ipapadala mo. Tapos, press and send.
Wala ka ng rason kay Mrs. na hindi ka na-reply. Patay tayo dyan.
Nasaan ka na?
Okay. At syempre, again, inline 4, the one and only
Meron tayong tinatawag na standard, which is walang e-clutch.
Okay.
At meron naman tayong isa, yung may e-clutch.
Ito ba yung may
Ito yung may e-clutch. Yung sa standard, meron tayong 3 variant color.
Okay.
Meron tayong black, red, and green.
Green yung isa.
Then yung may e-clutch, dalawang variant lang yung color natin. Red and black.
Yung red yung iconic Okay, Sir Peter, dito naman sa kabilang side is the 2024, sir?
Goldwing? Yes, sir.
Anong bago sa natin, sa Goldwing?
Actually, itong Goldwing natin ay yung 2023, same specs lang naman siya.
Okay.
Pero, siyempre, yung mga technical features na ito is talagang premium yung technology niya.
For sure.
Una, siyempre, meron yung push control.
Oo. Para steady ka na lang.
Then, siyempre, ito yung clutch transmission.
Comfort?
Siya.
Ano pala mo? Automatic?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
May mo nalaman.
And then, ito po, DC, 7 speed.
7 speed.
7 speed. And, siyempre, meron niyang walk speed. Walk speed na forward and reverse.
Ano ibig sabihin ng walk speed?
Walk speed. Kasi ito, almost 400 kilo.
Oo nga.
Siyempre, mahirap siyang itulak forward. At
So, may
mahirap in reverse.
assistance ka.
Yes, sir.
OBR check tayo, OBR check.
And then may airbag. OBR check.
OBR.
1.2cc to, sir.
Grabe yung comfort na ito.
1,800 DCT. Then, yun nga, sir, nakita nyo may airbag.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Grabe yung comfort nito, sir, no?
Yes, sir. Yung kanyang ay, meron din pong hill start assist.
Okay, lahat ng...
Daily start assist, once na nasa uphill ka at napahinto ka ron, binibigyan ka ng 3 segundo na i-hold ka yun para hindi ka umatras.
May gulang, Ned.
Oo, pag ganun ko, wala eh.
May gulang.
So, i-reflect natin kung saan na sir.
Ganun, same pa rin.
And then, siyempre, for safety, dahil sa sobrang bigat dito, meron tayong parking brake lang.
Grabe. Kotse na, pre. Kotse na yan eh.
Ngayon lang ako nakakaupo dito, sir.
For riding comfort din, siyempre, tourer to, yung category niya, baka mamaya, sobrang tagal mo na nagdadrive, medyo nagdanap sa yung meron tayong tip heater.
Grabe.
Kung nalalamikan ka naman,
Heater din.
meron tayong seat heater.
Kaso di ko gagamitin ngayon yan. Kainit. Pero,
Kasi meron din seat heater tong backpack.
OBR. Grabe, comfort. Ito, classic. Sir Peter, thank you po, sir. Sir Peter from Honda. Thank you, sir.
Ibang klase talaga ang technology ng Honda. May discount ka pa sa entrance fee pag Honda owner ka. But it's time for us to meet the man behind the successful event.
Hey, Taste Right PH, shout out to you guys. Keep it up and yun, maraming salamat.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Ganda ng event, sir.
Salamat.
Solid event.
We're not done yet dahil meron pa kaming one last brand na ipapakita sa inyo. Sila lang naman ang isa sa nagpauso ng mga coffee racers sa mundo.
Triumph, speed rocket ba to? Basta rocket. Alam niyo kung bakit siya tinawag na rocket? Kasi 25cc, 2,500. Kasi pre. Basically, parang ginawa mong motor ang Fortuner.
Tapos ang 500cc.
Tapos from Las Piñas to Pagudpod, 2 hours lang.
Pag nagkamali ka ng pihit dito, tipad.
I'm Chris.
Chris, okay.
I'm the National Sales Manager of Triumph Philippines, and I'm also the one handling 7 dealers here in the Philippines and Triumph natin.
Alright.
So welcome to our Triumph booth. For sure, tatanong niyo na sa harapan ko, this is our Truckstone.
Yes, sir.
We call this the Chrome Edition. This is a 2023 model, but again, we do have the 2024, which is, if you're familiar with the final edition, the green one. After that, totally wala na po tayong Truckstone. So this will be the second to the last na Truckstone na lalabas natin.
Sir, so itong trucks na ito, ilang cc itong
This one is a 1200cc. Actually, meron din tayong Scrambler or Truckstone na lalabas, but again, hindi ko muna pwedeng i-divulge ngayon. But for the 1200, this will be the second to the last. Yung last natin is the green one. If you're familiar, it's the final edition po.
Ito pa siya, sir, parang chain pasikat ng Cafe Racer.
Basically, yes.
Tapos parang nag-combine sila ni Norton, right?
Correct.
Well,
So kung nakikita niyo yung mga sports bike ngayon ng mga flaring, dito nagsimula yun eh. So talagang nilagyan lang ng flarings kaya nagkikita. Pero basically, the clip-ons, medyo naka-front ride ka. Ano pa rin siya. Pero again, this one is, lagi sinasabi ng mga customer who bought from us, kahit na 1200 siya, magang siya, especially on a twist season. This is my personal use pagdating sa trial.
Gas consumption, sir, kamusta?
Actually, boss, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na kasi depende sa riding habit natin eh. Siyempre, meron tayong aggressive or tipid lang. Hindi ko masabi, kumbaga ayoko naman mag-develop na information na siyempre iba yung riding style mo iba.
Pero anong benta, sir, niya ni Triumph? Anong sinasabi nila, marketing?
Number 1, Maga. For a big bike, Maga.
So next natin itong Bobber Bonneville. Sir, ilang cc itong...
This one is same with Truckstone, 1200cc siya. Pero dalawang klase kasi ang makina ng Triumph. Meron tayong high torque at saka high speed. But this one is on high torque. Again, when we started 2020 here in the Philippines, ito yung pinaka-fast moving namin, the Bobber. Kumbaga, most of our clients na bumibili nito is also a modern classic buyer or tawag dito collectors and also mga Harley. Ito yung kinukuha nila.
Tsaka, in terms of comfort, parang sobrang comfort to.
Yes, basically,
yes. Kasi ka lang talaga, chill ride ka lang.
Chill ride at saka hindi sa ganun kaingay.
Yeah.
So again, kung may nakita kayo kaninang Chrome Edition, this one is a Bobber Chrome Edition naman. After this one, 1 year production lang po ito. After that, balik tayo sa regular colors. And sorry, we offer test ride for both bikes.
Yes, sir.
For any bikes na nakikita nyo rito, just let us know. You can get my number. I'll give you my calling card later. Just let us know po. Schedule natin with your group also. Schedule kayo ng group ride nyo. We will lend you all my demos for Triumph.
Saan kayo, sir,
Basically, Triumph Philippines nasa Green Hills.
Green Hills.
Yep.
Okay.
And banggitin ko na rin yung 7 dealers ko. We do have the Green Hills, PGC, Pampanga, Laguna, Nueva Ecija, Cebu and Davao, and then we do have upcoming dealer, but again, next year ka na mabanggit.
Sir, question, anong Triumph yun na? May Triumph kayo, sir, ng personal?
Truckstone.
Yo, Truckstone.
Case closed.
Case closed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So what's up guys? So ito yung bagong labas na Triumph na 400cc. So sir, kailan lang itong nilabas?
Basically, nilabas namin to last week of February.
February.
So we do have 3 containers na dumating. Unfortunately, lahat sold out na.
Talaga sir?
Yep. Still, hindi pa namin nag-cater yung iba pang nag-reserve. Every day may nag-reserve. But again, this one is the fast-moving talaga. Why? Because of the price. The price is 299 for a 400. Yes, sir. A highway legal pa. At saka number 1, mababa lang siya.
Yeah.
So, yun yung pinaka-dahilan kung bakit mabenta itong Speed 400 namin. And then secondly, yung nasa kabila natin, Scrambler X. Price is 339. Ang kumukuha naman sa amin yan is ginagamit pang off-road eh. So you can turn off the ABS, you can use it on the train, river cross pwede.
Yeah.
Iba yung gano'n, sir.
So both are 400cc.
Alam niyo bakit laging ubos? Ito yun, no?
Bakit ubos?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sobrang niya sa price, sobrang mura niya, no? For 400cc.
Yep, basically both. Pero siyempre ito pinakamaraming pila. Again, because of the price, yung sikay niya, alam mo naman ang Pinoy, hindi naman lahat. Kasing lalaki nyo, di ba? So, but every month naman may dumarating eh.
Mga ilan, sir, ang ano?
Basically, in one container ko, merong 42 units eh. 42 units. So, wala namang problema kung may mga delays lang, but again, every month naman may dumarating eh.
Patience lang.
And again, guys, if you want to test ride it, please let us know. Pwede ko isama sa group ride nyo to.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
And even my Daytona here.
Ayun, ang ganda rin.
Ito si Chixie. For sports look.
Yeah.
Intimidating yung dito.
But if you want, pwede natin schedule yung modern classic ride with you guys, with my Truckstone Bobber. Sama na natin to, part of our modern classic. And then after that, try naman yung mga, sports namin. We do have the Daytona, Speed Triple RR, Speed Triple RR, and then the Rocket. For free yun, no commitment. Okay? At least sa amin naman, once that we talk to all customers, we're not just selling eh.
Yes, sir.
Kahit hindi ka bibili, we just want to promote kung ano meron ng Triumph. Para pag nagkakwentuhan kayo, do you have an experience with Triumph?
Of course.
Meron na. Pwede share. Thank you.
Huge thanks to Sir Chris ng Triumph Philippines for showcasing us our dream bikes.
Sir, here's my calling card. Please. Again, seryoso, if you want to have a group ride na all Triumph, please give us a call. Schedule natin. Kung ilan kayo, kung 4 kayo, 5, kung anong gusto nyong i-test ride, get it on a Friday, balik na lang Sunday or Monday. Just enjoy.
Kaya naman abangan nyo ang aming upcoming videos at samahan nyo kami on our road to 1,000 subscribers.
So yun guys, nag-enjoy kayo and congratulations kay Sir Zach sa event na to. Sobrang successful nito.
So Sir Zach, congratulations from Makina. And by the way, abangan nyo yung magiging test ride namin. Actual test ride. Sir Chris will contact you definitely, then hintayin nyo. We're Taste Ride PH, Mel here with
Charles here from Taste Ride PH. So continue to watch our YouTube channel,
TikTok,
and
Instagram.
TikTok page and Instagram.
By this time, meron kaming IG and Facebook as well. And ayun, last day, Makina Moto Show. Approved, 2 thumbs up. So, like, comment, and
subscribe.
Alright. Dumikit eh. Alright. Teka. Huwag mo na po, boss.
The experience, congrats kay Sir Zach. I love you.
Long doggy. Hindi po na record.
Hindi mo na record.